This procedure starts with the 2007 to 2017 JK Throwback top removed from the Jeep and placed on a clean, suitable work surface. We're going to begin by removing the 5 self-tapping screws and the retainer from the bow assembly. The next step involves using a flat blade screwdriver to pry open the 17 tension tabs that run along the front of the throwback frame. When you do this, be careful not to mar the header panel with the screwdriver as you pry on the tabs. With the top now in the partially open position, cut the 2 cable ties, if present, from the front corners of the frame. At this point, you can pull the front tabs and front corners free of the throwback frame. If you can pry these tabs fully open, this step will be much easier. The next step is to pull these long tabs from the bow assembly. Then put the top in the fully closed position. At this point, the next step is to remove this flap from the support bar. The best way to do this is to prop the unit up a little bit, maybe just a few inches off the work surface. Now, come from under and around the support bar and work this fabric flap up and over. There's adhesive that's applied to the top of the support bar along its length. You want to come from around back so that you can grab this flap and work the fabric down and to the front. When you get the fabric to release from that adhesive, continue working the fabric from the support bar all the way across. Remove the trim buttons from the rear corners of the frame. Once they're removed, grab the cable and work it out of the frame slot. Now pull the ball end of the cable through this plastic tab that's part of the canvas. Then you can pull the cable free of the canvas. With the top in the fully closed position, top side down, you can release the retaining tabs that run across the rear of the frame. To do that, reach in from the front side and push the tab down as you pull the tab from the rear. When you have all your tabs and corners released, the canvas is fully detached from the frame and can be removed. Look for our video on reinstalling the canvas onto the throwback frame.